Hello children, today we are starting our chapter number 2 of science. The chapter's name is Microorganisms, Friend and Foe. Micro means these organisms can't seen without microscope. They are very small in size. Microorganisms, organisms means living beings. Friend and foe. Friend, who is our friend? Who helps us? Friend, help us. And foe means enemy, who harms us. So microorganisms are, we can say, both our friend and foe. They helps us. Some microorganisms helps us, and some are harmful for us. So in this chapter we will discuss about its both nature, that is helping nature, and second is harmful nature. These are called microorganisms or microbes. The other name of microorganism is microbes. MICROBES. We also can say microorganism as microbes. For example, we can take an example of microbes. For example, you might have observed that during the rainy season, the moist bread gets spoiled and its surface gets covered with grayish white patches. When we observe these patches through a magnifying glass, where we can found magnifying glass in our drawing box, we will see that tiny black rounded structures. Do you know what these structures are and where do these come from? These patches are from microbes or microorganisms. We can take an activity. Activity 1. Collect some moist soil and from the field and place in a beaker. Moist soil. And add some water to it. After the soil particles have settled down, observe a drop of water from the beaker under a microscope. We take a drop of water, and when we saw in the microscope, what we saw? We saw that the water and soil are fully of tiny organisms. In that water, we will saw tiny organisms. Though not all of them fall into the category of microbes, these microorganisms or microbes are so small in size that they cannot be seen without the unaided eye. Unaided eye means naked eye. Some of these, such as fungus that grows on bread, fungus grows on bread, can be seen with a magnifying glass. Others cannot be seen without the help of microscope. That is why these are called microorganisms or microbes. Microorganisms are classified into 4 major groups. These microorganisms are classified into 4 major groups. Number 1, bacteria. Number 2, fungi. Number 3, protozoa. And number 4, algae. Some of these common microorganisms are shown in your book, page number 18. You can see these microorganisms on page number 18. Viruses are also microscopic. Viruses are also microscopic but are different from other microorganisms. They, however, reproduce only inside the cells of the host organism, which may be a bacterium, plant, or animal. Some of the viruses are shown in your book figure 2.5. What are the functions of viruses or harmful functions of viruses? Like cold, influenza, and cough are caused by viruses. Serious diseases like polio, chickenpox, and nowadays we can see that corona is also a virus. Diseases like dysentery and malaria are caused by protozoa, whereas typhoid and tuberculosis are bacterial diseases. TB, tuberculosis general name is TB. TB and typhoid, these are bacterial diseases. You have learned some organisms in your class 6th and 7th. Number 2, where do microorganisms live? Where do these microorganisms live? What is the habitat of these microorganisms? Microorganisms may be single-celled like bacteria, some algae and protozoa, or they can be multicellular also, such as many algae and fungi. They live in all types of environment ranging from ice cold climate to hot springs and desert. They can also live in desert and marshy lands also. They are also found inside the bodies of animals, including humans. Inside the body of humans, some microorganisms grow on other organisms while others exist freely. Our next topic is microorganisms and us. Microorganisms play a important role in our lives. Some of them are beneficial in many ways. They are benefit for us, and some of are harmful and cause diseases. Let's study about them in detail. First, we can take friendly microorganisms. Friendly microorganisms. It means they help us. Microorganisms are used for various purposes. They are used in the preparation of curd, bread, cake. Why we make curd? By the milk. Bread and cake also made with the help of microorganisms. They are also used in cleaning up of the environment. Number 1, friendly microorganisms. Number 1, they are used in the preparation of preparation of curd, bread and cake. Number 2, they are also used in cleaning up of the environment. Cleaning up of environment. For example, the organic wastes such as vegetable peels, remains of animals, fishes, etc. are broken down into harmless and usable substances by bacteria. Recall that bacteria are also used in the preparation of medicines. Number 3, in medicines. In agriculture, they are used to increase soil fertility. By fixing nitrogen. These are friendly microorganisms. When we make curd and bread, so the bacteria turned milk is turned into curd by bacteria. Milk is turned into curd by bacteria. Curd contains several microorganisms. Of these, the bacterium Lactobacillus. Which bacteria converts milk into curd? Lactobacillus. Lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. It multiples in milk and converts it into curd. Bacteria are also involved in the making of cheese, pickles, and many other food items. An important ingredient of rava means R-A-V-A, suji, idlis and baturas is curd. Bacteria and yeast are also helpful for fermentation of thrice idlis and dosa batter. We can take an activity. Number 2. Take half kg flour or atta. This is atta, or we can say it flour, half kg. And add some sugar, add a small amount of yeast powder, and need to make a soft dough. What do you observe after 2 hours? After 2 hours, we can observe that dough is rising. Raised maida. Yeast produces rapidly. We added yeast into this atta, sugar. After 2 hours, yeast produces rapidly and produces carbon dioxide. During respiration, bubbles of the gas fill the dough and increase its volume. This is the basis of the use of yeast in the baking industry and making breads, pastries, and cakes. Now we can take the commercial use of microorganisms. Commercial use. Microorganisms are used for the large scale production of alcohol, wine and acetic acid. Yeast is used for commercial production of alcohol and wine. For this purpose, yeast is grown on natural sugars present in grains like barley, wheat, rice, crushed fruit, juice, etc. What is fermentation? Fermentation. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. Who discovered fermentation first? Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur discovered fermentation first. Medicinal use of microorganisms. Medicinal use of microorganisms. Whenever we fall ill, we may take some antibiotic tablets. Antibiotic tablets, capsules or injections such as of the penicillin. The source of these medicines is microorganisms. These medicines kill or stop the growth of the disease causing microorganisms. Such medicines are called antibiotics. Antibiotics. Antibiotics are those medicines who kill or stop the growth of bacteria. These days, a number of antibiotics are being produced from bacteria and fungi. We can say streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin are the examples of antibiotics. Some of the commonly known antibiotics which are made from fungi and bacteria. The antibiotics are manufactured by growing specific microorganisms and are used to curb a variety of diseases. Antibiotics are even mixed with the feed of livestock and poultry to check microbial infections in animals. Remember that when we use antibiotics should be taken only on the advice of a qualified doctor. Also, you must complete the course prescribed by the doctor. If we take antibiotics that are not needed or in a wrong dosage, it may make the drug less effective when you might need it in future. Antibiotics taken unnecessarily may kill the beneficial bacteria in our body. Antibiotics, however, are not effective against the cold and flu, as these are caused by viruses. So, I summarize this topic up to this, and tomorrow we will discuss about vaccine. Who discovered vaccine? What are vaccines? What is the functions of the vaccine? And so more. Thank you.